For the achar we have put garlic. So garlic we'll put in the jar. Amit karo. So we'll put this in the jar. So we have around half a kg of garlic. And then we'll put salt, 1 spoon of salt. One spoon of haldi we'll put. And then 2 spoon of mustard oil we'll put. And then we'll churn it. We'll not make paste, it will be like a thick one. It will become like this paste, so we have not made it very fine. And then we'll mix this in our achar. So this we have already put in the sun, so we'll add our garlic in this. गार्लिक से तो नहीं हो रही। पता नहीं कैसा गार्लिक है। So what we'll do, we'll mix it with the hand. So now we'll put this in the sun and we'll cover it with the cotton cloth. So that no dust goes inside it. And we'll leave it because this almost it is a 36-degree temperature. It's very hot. So we'll leave it in the sun. So I have few mango trees here. Yeah. So we have to remove the mustard skin. So I have already removed it. You can just see the black part of the mustard is this side and the yellow part is this side. This we have done it after grinding in the mixie. So we'll be using this part, this yellow one. So this is fenugreek and chili which already we have roasted. हिंदी में हम इसे in Hindi we call it मेथी दाना. तो इसको भी हमने थोड़ा सा रोस्ट किया है तेल में, इसको भी हम थोड़ा ग्राइंड कर देंगे. We have grinded it, so this has become like this. So final what we have is this is ajwain, this is saunf, kalonji. We have grind methi and chili, and this is masala with coriander, black pepper, jeera, lots of things. And then we have mustard, which we have removed the black part. And then we are going to put the mustard oil also in it. Also we are going to put hing, which is asafoetida, in the pickle. So first we'll put the methi and the chili, which is roasted. Then put the everything. Put the hing. ठीक है. Then we'll put the lots of mustard oil. And we'll mix the pickle. So best is to use the hand. So I have added a little more oil. Then now we will put it in the sun. So we have taken half a kg of chili for the pickle, and we have already removed the tip of the chili, and then we are chopping it. Chop it into small pieces. Either you can use a chopper, or you can do a knife, or you can do with the scissor. So this is it, and then we will add little salt in it and turmeric in it. One tablespoon of. So we are adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of haldi we'll add. You can add 2 tablespoon of turmeric haldi, and this is homemade haldi which we have made it in our house. Yeah, that's it. And then we will mix it up and put in the sun for 3 days, and then we will add in our pickle, which is already drying in the sun for around 10 days. Yeah, it nicely, our haldi and salt, and we'll add 2-3 tablespoon of mustard oil also into it. So now we are adding around 2-3 tablespoon of mustard oil, and then we'll mix it again and then put it in the sun. So to mix it, you can see the skin is nicely coated with the oil. So once more I will tell you what we have added. We have added turmeric, we have added salt and the mustard oil, and we will put it in the sun, and it will cook in the sun for around 3 days. Yeah, and then we will put it in our pickle, which is already drying in the sun from last. So now we will mix chili, which we have kept in the sun yesterday, to our pickle. And then we'll mix it. This pickle is almost ready. Just we'll put in the sun for more 2-3 days. If you see now, the outside temperature is around 37 degrees, and 2 more days more sun will be there, so we'll put for 2 more days. Already this has been there for 10 days, and this is like 13-14 days now. Almost this has been in the sun for around 15 days, and yeah, we have kept the chili for 1 day outside. Now we'll keep for 2-3 days more, and then we'll keep in the jar and put lots of oil. Now we have some very thin cloth. We will cover with our bucket with this, and then we'll put in the sun so that dust and all cannot go inside. So you can see we have covered this with a very thin cloth, and now we'll go and put it in the sun. So now we have kept it in the sun.